Okay, it's Thursday, July 17th, 2021, and we are now checking out what's left of Easttown Mall. A couple weeks ago, the escalators was sitting right here, and those were gone. There's less and less. And as you saw in the other video, they began tearing down the Sears building, which a couple people thought they was going to leave it up and let Amazon use it, but it's beginning to come down now. It's hard to believe there used to be shops right here and right here. And just 2 months ago, me and Brendan were walking like right through here. The mall was still up. I've seen quite a few cars up at the old Toys R Us building. They've been driving by checking this out. I guess while I'm over here, I might as well go this path. People are probably up there wondering what the crap I'm doing. Last week when I was here, you could still see the Belk building. You can see the Belk logo, and more of it's gone now. Big empty spot right there. Wow. Front part of the mall. For whatever reason, they're still leaving that green roof is still there. Oh shit. No. Okay, that wasn't good. You see some doors up there. Were those the doors to the movie theater? I believe they were. Wow. Nothing but empty space right here. Bunch of big rocks over there. We were going to attempt to make our way over to Sears. Yeah, I believe that those were the doors to the movie theater, because you can see the it says Easttown Vapor Lounge, which used to be where the arcade was at, which was right across from the movie theater. Last week when I was here, you could see the windows where you order your tickets to the movies, and now that part's even gone now. Now we got this big empty field here, which takes you over to Sears. Last week I could have actually walked right in the Sears building. Now they've begun demolition on it now. For those watching this that doesn't know, in 1 year there will be an Amazon building right here in this spot. This mall closed down in January of 2020, and me and Justin went in the last week it was in business. And I got some photos, and I remember that the heat wasn't working, and I thought that was gonna be the last time I'd ever be here. And then I've been here, and I came in the mall back in April. Me and Brendan did, and we got some cool pics and videos, and I've been documenting weekly what's left at this place. Wow. It's a long video, and yeah, let's zoom out. So yeah, here's what's left. Not much. And then back in the back parking lot, they're beginning to tear the trees down and rip up the asphalt. So they begin tearing this brick wall here down. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and I'm gonna walk over towards Sears.